Hello and good morning to all my dear students. I am your English teacher Piyush, and in the previous video we discussed about the poem that is The Lazy Frog, and today in this video we are going to continue with the exercise part and particularly the question answers. Okay, so let's begin. And the first question here is, what did the frog do all day? So the question is asked in past tense. Did has been used. So simply the answer would be in past tense. So the answer would begin with the frog. LOLLED. LOLLS था ना वहाँ पर ऊपर poem में. In the poem it was LOLLS. So here in the past tense we'll use LOLLED. Lolled on a log, 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 all day. I'll repeat the answer. The frog lolled on a log all day. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now continuing with the next question. Besides lazy, besides मतलब lazy होने के साथ साथ, what other word can you think of to describe the frog? Okay, and the hint is given how he behaved with his mother and when a lady frog walked by. So these are the two hints given. So we can say that the lazy frog, the answer would be besides lazy, the frog was careless. Okay, and if you want to add on any other word, you may add on as per the reference of the context. Okay, पोएम के अंदर से आपको लगता हो उसकी यहाँ इन हरकतों की वजह से, तो you can add on any other word. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So besides lazy, and another word we can think of to describe the frog is careless, or just simply write one word, careless. Okay, careless, reckless can be used, RECKLESS, reckless. Okay, next, the third question. Complete the sentences with reference to the poem. So the first question here is, when the frog's mother called him, he pretended to be sleeping. He pretended to be sleeping, or he pretended to be asleep. ASLEEP, asleep. Okay, the next one is, when a lady frog hops by, he does not even open. OPEN. does आ चुका है तो दोबारा से वर्ब में s नहीं लगेगा. So he does not open one eye. Okay, the next one is, did you like the frog's behavior? No, I did not like the frog's behavior. Why? इसका ऐड अगर करना हो, because the frog was lazy and careless. Okay, no, I did not like the frog's behavior because it was lazy and careless, or he was lazy and careless. Okay, so I hope these answers are clear to you. And continuing with the next part, refer to the poem and understand. The frog loved to laze and lie around all day. He did not like to do any work at all. So now make true sentences about yourself. Make sure you are not lying anything about it. आप इसके बारे में कुछ भी झूठ नहीं बोलोगे. You have to tell only the facts. So write about the people you like, a game you play, a hobby, a habit you have, and you must use the following clues. Like I love playing badminton. So in the same way you can enter anything of your choice. Do not copy my answers. Okay, so write anything that you love. I like, I like what? I like waking up early in the morning, or I like to watch um, spy movies. Okay, I don't mind. I don't mind what? I don't mind uh, using or not using my phone for a week. ओके, आई डोंट माइंड नॉट यूजिंग माई फ़ोन फॉर अ वीक. अगर मैं एक हफ्ते के लिए अपना फ़ोन यूज़ ना करूँ तो मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ेगा. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आई डोंट लाइक वेस्टिंग टाइम. एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ आई हेट आई हेट सिटिंग आइडल. खाली बैठना मुझे पसंद नहीं है. ओके, so you may add on the choices or the habits you have, or anything of your choice. Okay, let's continue. Now try and find out the same for your family members also. So you may ask about any of your family members, write their name over on the top, and then write my father. Instead of using I, you may use my father loves, my mother likes. Okay, so in the same way you may do this. Next is say aloud. Add one more matching word to each pair. So one has been done for you, like log, frog, dog. So basically, you have to write down the words in such a way that they may be pronounced with the same rhyming words. Okay, like log, frog, og की आवाज आ रही है इसमें. In the same way, shirk, work. Okay, if you ask me, I would say lurk or clerk. Okay, in the same way, jerk. Okay, so spelling does not matter, spelling में ज़्यादा फर्क नहीं आएगा, but pronunciation should be same, and it should end with rk. Okay, the next one is वेन. अब देखो एन की आवाज़ आ रही है इसके अंदर. मैंने बोला था स्पेलिंग मैटर नहीं करती. यहाँ आई एन से एंड हो रहा है, यहाँ जी एन से एंड हो रहा है, तो स्पेलिंग मैटर नहीं करती, बट प्रोनाउंसिएशन मैटर करती है. सो आइन की आवाज़ आ रही है, आइन, सॉरी एन की. डेन है यहाँ पर. वेन, डेन, रेन. ओके, देन ट्रेन, लेन, lane. Okay, so in the same way you may add on another word. These are the words which I'm providing you as a help only. So आपको new words यहाँ पर add करने हैं. Preferring hearing, I'll only give one word from here, so that you may add on another different word apart from the word which I have used. Okay, so preferring, hearing. अब देखो RING की आवाज़ आ रही है. Ring, preferring, hearing, then clearing, sharing, then heap, keep, sleep, deep. Okay, past, last, vast, VAST. So in the same way you have to add on another word. Way, say, then HAY, hey. Okay, so with this we are done with the exercise part and the question answers part. If you have any problem, just keep on noting down your problem, so that these queries will be taken down, taken as and when we take live class. Okay, and complete and send your work as soon as possible, so that I may be ensured that work is going on as per my expectation. Okay, so with this, thank you very much and enjoy your day. Stay safe, stay happy.